39 southbound at 82. He's accelerating. Go ahead and show me 37.
I'm right here at the 82.
It's going to be a gray Toyota passenger car. Speed for 107 is coming up on the 82 southbound. He's passing on the left shoulder. Speed for 120. Left lane southbound.
Speed on it, 78. I'm at 78 also.
It's on the right shoulder. 39 low, he just hit me. Boys, he's about, I'm going to go for DBI.
Where are you now, 39?
Just past the 78, he hit two vehicles in the 78, a white SUV. We're coming up on the 78 right now.
Focus on driving, I'll call the pursuit. You get up there and take him out. We're westbound, 612, about 130. I'm primary. 39 level speeds at 137 is primary.
He's rolling the back right window down. I don't know what he's doing. I think he just threw something out on your side.
9-1-837 out the driver's side of the bridge to 19. I think it said it's going to attempt CBI.
Yeah, he's holding his fist out the window now.
He's at 115 coming up on 112, westbound on 612.
Coming up on 112.
Northbound on Howard 112.
Northbound 112.
6 medium. He's running 2 cars off the road. I'll hold traffic behind you if you want to attempt the TVI.
Okay, just hold traffic for a minute. I'm trying.
10-4. 39 low. We're coming up past Spring Ridge Drive on 112. He's in oncoming traffic.
Spring Ridge Drive.
39 low coming up on Wagger Road. Low charge west on the Wagger Road. Coming up on Lake Drive on Wagger, still westbound.
Well, he's trying to get me to hit him low. Advise Hyphel, we're coming up to their jurisdiction pretty quick.
39 low, he just passed Teal Way, still westbound. Move over.
Y'all be careful, this turns to gravel. Be careful. He's driving very reckless. Zigzags.
3 to 7, take him out.
3, I'm trying. I can't get up to him.
And I'm low, my tires low out, maybe 10-7.
7, Hyphel's been notified. I'll try to get an ETA.
We're on gravel right now. Well, tell me where this road comes out at on the map.
It'll come out to Snavely Road. It'll come to a T. You'll either go left in Elm Springs or go right into Hyphel. Also, there is going to be a sharp curve just before the T going down Springs for Correction Hyphel.
Yeah, 10-4. He's getting some distance on me right now.
10-4, just let us know if he goes left or right if he can.
I don't see him right now.
He's still up there. I just saw him. Keep going. He's in front of you.
Okay, come on.
He turned right there, Jeff.
I can't talk right now, Chris. I'll call you back. Yes.
Yes, he's right here. He's at the bridge. He's bailed out at the bridge.
Oh, God, do you have a clothing description?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh, sorry, can you advise what direction he was running?
I believe they have him in custody. Give me just a second. He's in custody, well.
Report copy 1015, 242. Oh, 729. Oh, 729. Oh, there's no traffic.
Which you advise they saw the suspect throw something?
Okay, 39, it's going to be near the last overpass just before 112.
Don't know, the 11. It's showing me it's the bridge heading westbound. Okay, boy, if you can't give me 21. Well, will be not 612.
11, 10 4, whenever you're not 10 6 with that, if you could check around the 77, 78, the suspect possibly hit vehicles in that area in southbound.
You got cameras behind you.
Get your leg in there.
On fire or what? It was
Spray. Put the seatbelt on. Harley, put the seatbelt on. Other side. Hand it to me.
Here. Get up. Here. What's your name, man?
Sean.
Sean? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions if you wish. You can decide to answer at any time, to exercise these rights, and not answer any questions or make any statements. Now, what's your full name and your birthday?
Sean Jeffrey, computer 0501
Does he have an ID, Harley?
He don't have an insurance card with his name on it.
What's your birthday, Sean?
0501 1979.
5-1 of 79. Okay.
907-355-07.
5-1 of 79.
The judge just took my license because I got behind 2 points on 5 points. Suspend my license, how quickly you can keep going?
What is this? Stop, talk?